Okay, so we finally got it. Yep, after all this time, it's done and over with.
But these are the extra screws, so put the extra screws in there for later.
Okay,
there must have
can
been some
go in there.
leftovers.
Must have been some leftovers. Just like that. So let's look at the tape.
Jeez, there you go.
So there's no
I would
tape.
assume it goes in this way, but it's not really. I don't know. Something seems wrong about it. But whatever, you know.
Okay, can I do it?
I don't know.
Can I see it? Here, you hold my iPad. Can I try?
I don't know. There's something about it that won't let it record even though it's in camera mode.
Look at that. That right there.
But what? Yeah, I know that part does seem odd.
It needs to be screwed on.
It should still record though.
I do think it should be screwed on more.
No, we'll have to take it apart and do some more investigation later.
Okay.
It's amazing that the... Well, what if I put it in playback mode? Does it play back? Oh, it's playing.
Can I see it?
It's trying to play, but it can't.
Okay.
No, it's not turning. There's still some kind of problem in there. Well, it's a start. There's your tape. We will continue working another day, no doubt. Right now we're going to eat dinner, but... I mean, it's starting. It's getting there. Did you record that, Mr. Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I mean...
So I guess that's the end of the day for today.
Your tape transport doesn't spin, but on the positive side, your tape eject works. Well, I'll work on it some more the next chance. Be cautiously optimistic. Where's that bag with your extra screws, Rhino? Where? Oh, you put it in there. Oh. Well, we'll put it here for now. Did this thing go in this way then, or whichever way it goes in, we can put it back in. Like this, maybe? Oh, and then did this lay flat or something? Probably. Well, get it recording. I mean, it's not working. It's not
Okay,
not
so yeah, the eject button works, but not a lot does. So it'll probably be a long time. So yeah, until then, peace out, bye bye. Yeah, peace out, bye bye.